There are 3 different ways you can sew on a 4-hole button: parallel, cross, or decorative. I'm going to go with the parallel. So we're going to start from the back of our fabric where we want our button to be, do my 2 anchor stitches in addition to the knot that was on my thread. Go up through one hole of the button, out through the other. Then I'm going to take a stitch in the fabric. It is really important that you make sure that that button is still centered over the dot that you have where you want it to be. It's really easy to get buttons off-centered, especially 4-hole buttons. Now we're going to do this 4 times, but since there are 4 holes, you're going to go through each set of holes twice. For this demonstration, I am doing what is called stab stitching, and that's where you are going individually through each hole all the way through to the back of the fabric and back up through another hole. This is not as an efficient a way to sew on a button, and it is only possible if you are able to go through all layers of fabric. I try to discourage stab stitching as it is slower than going through the button and taking a stitch all in one motion. Now we have done all of our stitches. I've come through to the back of the button and going to tie off. I'm using the anchor stitch to tie off for this sample. There we have it, our 4-hole button, stress tested, ready to go.